Hi there, and welcome to today's YouTube tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw a banner. I love to use banners to accentuate words. I have used them on mail art and even on my own website design. Alright, so you'll want to start off by drawing a pencil guideline, and that's going to act as a guideline for the word that you draw. So I always draw the word first before I draw the banner. Let's make this wavy line here, and then you're going to make a draft of your word. So my word is going to be greetings. After you've drawn your word, you'll want to draw the body of your banner around the word. So we're not messing with the tails or anything right now. We're just drawing the part of the banner that goes around the word. So if I have descenders like these, what I usually do is let them intersect the banner. So since this is an illustration, it's not supposed to look realistic. You know, in real life, these G's would be completely on the banner, but since this is an illustration, we can do whatever we want. And you'll want to try to follow the contours of your pencil guideline with this outline. So you can see that this bottom outline of the banner here follows the contour of this guideline right here, and the same with the top. Now once you've done that, then you'll want to draw a little line up here, and whatever the length of this line is, just eyeball and draw a horizontal line here. And so this right here should be about as long as this right here, because this is the same ribbon. It's just on a different plane. So this part of the ribbon is behind the front ribbon, if that makes sense. We're working a little bit with perspective here. And then you'll do the same thing behind this chunk of ribbon. We'll go up and then again draw a horizontal line approximately the same length as this part. And then at this part of the ribbon, we're going to draw, you know, this sort of split, as if somebody cut the ribbon just like that. Now, once you've done that, then work from this corner of the ribbon over to this corner and this corner to this corner. And now you have these realistic folds. We'll do the same thing down here. So we'll draw our horizontal line here. So we're sort of working opposite here. And then make this rectangle, sort of a curved rectangle. And then again, but we'll do the split here. And again, I'm working around this descender on the G because this is an illustration, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And now we'll be working from the bottom here. All right, so at this point, take your calligraphy pen and just draw over everything that you did, starting with the word. Now trace over the outline of the banner. Finally, you're going to finish up by adding some shading. So right here, there should be a shadow because you have this part of the banner in the foreground and this part is the background. So we'll just draw a series of horizontal lines here to denote that this is a shadow. And again, right here. This is going to add some dimension to your banner. And we'll do the same on the other side. And then wait just a couple of minutes for your ink to dry. Now you just erase. I like to use a rubber eraser, or I guess this is plastic. And I'll post a link to this eraser in the description. It's nice and smooth. And there's your banner.